The robotic lawnmower, still a rather mysterious device to some people, shrouded in misconceptions and implausible rumors. Here are 6 of the most common myths about these machines. Myth number 6. Complicated installation. Nonsense. You can set up all Gardena robotic lawnmowers in a matter of minutes, thanks to the comprehensive instructions and YouTube tutorial. Hundreds of thousands of Gardena customers would agree. The Setup Assistant helps you to program your device. Simply enter your lawn size and the mowing days of your choice, and your schedule is complete. Myth number 5. Robotic lawnmowers are power guzzlers. Many people believe that a robotic lawnmower guzzles power. In fact, it uses little more than a coffee machine in a month. And you can also manage it via the Gardena Smart System using the convenient Gardena Smart app. Now you just have to lean back, enjoy your coffee and the silence, because this device is the most quiet one you can find. Myth number 4. Robotic lawnmowers cannot handle difficult terrain. Quite the opposite is true. High or low, steep or narrow, a Gardena robotic lawnmower can almost always find a way, even in complex gardens. After all, every Gardena robotic lawnmower is the result of over 20 years of experience in robotics. Myth number 3. Rain is the end of the world. A real Gardena robotic lawnmower does not stop for rain. In fact, unlike many other devices, it will happily keep mowing even when it is dirty with clumps of grass and damp earth. And it will remain totally efficient and reliable. That is also why it doesn't need a rain sensor. To clean it, simply spray it with a garden hose. Only Gardena offers this feature in this device class. Myth number 2. A robotic lawnmower only mows. No way! A Gardena robotic lawnmower saves you from the tedious task of mowing your lawn and from removing the grass clippings. Instead, it creates a finely cut mulch, distributing nutrients back into the lawn, which promotes healthy growth. And now, hold tight. We have reached the greatest myth in robotic lawnmower history. Myth number 1. Boundary wire must be buried. Definitely not. Just slightly secure the cable to the ground and then let grass grow over the top. Gardena robotic lawnmowers. Do what you love.